Hi, welcome to Japan by Food. I'm your host, Shizuka Anderson. Today I am in Nagoya and I'm going to be learning all about the Nagoya breakfast. Japan has a really interesting service at some cafes called the morning service, which allows you to have a free breakfast for the price of one drink. So today I'm going to find out just what you can get for essentially free for breakfast in Nagoya. Let's go. I have just arrived at my first stop for today, Komeda's Coffee. Komeda's Coffee is a really popular cafe chain all across Tokyo and around Japan, but it actually originated right here in Nagoya. And it opened first in 1968. So what better place to try their morning service? Let's go inside and see what they've got. So the morning service is available here until 11 a.m. from the opening time. There are several different options you can choose from, but I'm going to go with the most popular set here, which is a slice of toast, the egg salad paste, and butter for the toast. The cost of the entire morning set is included in the price of one coffee, which is 480 yen. And I think I'm going to add a little something extra, which is not part of the morning set, but the Danish that they have here is really, really popular. So I think I'm going to get one of those as well because it looks super good.
コメダコーヒー店が名古屋、愛知県発祥のフルサービス型の喫茶店チェーンでございまして、こういった木がいっぱいある木歯列というんですけれども、あとくつろげるようなソファー、あと大きめのテーブルというところで皆様にくつろぎの時間を提供させていただいております。
Ooh, that looks really good. ありがとうございます。First, let's take a nice sip of morning coffee. That's really good. I love it. I'm not a coffee connoisseur, but it does have very lovely, complex notes. Very easy to drink. All right, let's try this morning set toast. I'm so excited. I love a good, thick-cut slice of toast. And Japanese bread is very delicious, very fluffy. Doesn't that just look so good? All right, here we go. This is actually my first time ordering the morning set at a cafe. So let's give it a try. Itadakimasu. That is really tasty. I can't say I've ever had egg salad on a toast before, but it's kind of like an egg salad sandwich, if you like those, on a really, really fluffy and nicely crisp slice of toast. Very tasty. And the best part about all of this is free. It might not be a lot, but the fact that you can enjoy a breakfast for free at a cafe in the morning, I think is spectacular. Oh! Oishishou! Oh, that looks so good! Yum! Look at that wonderful melty ice cream with maple syrup on a fluffy Danish. That's so good. The Danish is so fluffy. And I love the combination of the warm Danish with the wonderful cold ice cream, and the maple syrup on top just kind of absorbs into the Danish. It's really good. I can understand why this was a long-time favorite here. Well, this has been a wonderful breakfast trying the morning service here at Komeda's Coffee, but I still have some other morning services to try, so I'm going to finish this up and let's go try some more breakfast. Here we are at our second cafe. It's called Hanagoyomi, and it's known for their traditional Japanese-style morning service. Let's go inside and see what they have. All right, let's take a look at their morning set. Very traditional style. It looks like you get 2 rice balls called onigiri, and of course you can get your choice of drink like a coffee, but I think I'm gonna get the matcha tea. So let's get one of those.
うちのモーニングはお飲み物を注文していただくとトーストかおかゆかおにぎり1つ選べて、でサラダと茶碗蒸しがついてお値段飲み物の価格そのままで注文できます。
This looks fantastic, and it just looks so fancy and luxurious. I'm really blown away actually. So first I'm going to take a sip of my matcha green tea, which looks tantalizing. It's perfectly frothed up. Oh, that smells so good. Matcha tea is not sweet at all. It's actually quite bitter. It's really, really enjoyable. It should not be sweet unless you make it a matcha latte, which you can also order here, by the way. Next, we have two different kinds of onigiri. This one is a wakame onigiri, so there's a little bits of wakame seaweed inside. And this one is seasoned with black sesame and salt. So I'm gonna start with the wakame onigiri. Itadakimasu. It's simple and delicious. It's very lightly salted, and you can enjoy the flavor of the wakame. The seaweed doesn't have a lot of flavor to it. Very subtle, but very simple. You can enjoy the flavor of the rice quite a lot. Now it's time for what is arguably the star of the Japanese style morning breakfast, the chawanmushi. Let's give this a try. This is typically, I would say it's kind of a component of a fancier Japanese breakfast, so I'm excited to try. Here we go. That is really good. That is delicious. It is so savory. It's got a really wonderful, the egg is steamed and cooked into a really wonderful savory broth. The broth seems to have hints of like Japanese shiitake mushrooms, possibly bonito flakes, and the egg itself is really, really fluffy. It's a delicious bite. Well, this is a lovely traditional Japanese style morning set. I really enjoyed it, and I'm gonna continue enjoying it, but we have one last morning set to try at a local cafe that's only found right here in Nagoya. So I'm gonna finish this off and let's head over there. Konnichiwa. Oh, すごく可愛いお店ですね。
ありがとうございます。
ここはどんなカフェなんですか？
ここは一日中モーニングをお出ししている喫茶店です。
なぜこういうコンセプトになったんですか？
名古屋がモーニングが有名なのと、やっぱり名古屋の地元の人もモーニング好きですし、一日中食べられるようにということで、営業時間中はずっとモーニングを出しております。
モーニングセットはいろいろあるんですけど、一番おすすめのメニューってどれですか？
一番人気があるのが小倉トーストのセットですね。
いいですね。じゃあ今日はぜひこちらを一つください。
はい、ありがとうございます。
美味しそう。可愛いですねこれ。
ありがとうございます。
卵になぜ目がついてるんですか？
はい、これはこの建物に住む妖怪なんです。食べ物を粗末にしないように見張っているゆで玉小僧と言います。
すごい可愛いですね。で、これがマスコットキャラクター。
そうですね。
Look at this delicious looking morning set. It's my third set of the morning actually, but it looks very, very tasty and I'm very excited to try obura toast. This looks so good. Look at this fluffy, fluffy toast. The butter is already melting into it. Let's give it a taste. Our red bean toast with butter. It's gonna be so good. And again, we have a really thick cut, fluffy Japanese bread. Always very good. Let's try. Itadakimasu. Wow, that is really good. I think this is a wonderful combination of Japanese flavors and Western bread, Western toast. The butter and the red bean paste goes so well together. The red beans are naturally sweet, and the butter brings out this creaminess that really adds to the sweetness of the beans. And of course, it goes so well with the fluffy Japanese bread. Now let's take a sip of their specialty coffee from Costa Rica. The color is beautiful. That smells so good. This is what you want to smell first thing in the morning. Fresh, roasted cup of coffee. That is really refreshing. As expected, it's got slightly fruity undertones. It's not very bitter. It's very, very smooth, easy to drink. Wonderful roast. So as I've never had an egg in a cup before, I don't really know how to eat this. And I'm gonna open it up. Ta-da! Nice hard-boiled egg. It's really good. It's a classic standard hard-boiled egg, but it's a really traditional component of the morning set here in Nagoya. So I'm really glad I got to try this. Well, there you have it, you guys. This has been a little glimpse into the morning service culture here in Nagoya. This particular morning set costs 200 extra yen for the red beans on top, but you can still get a basic classic morning set here for free with your coffee. So I think this is a really, really wonderful culture here that's definitely worth a try if you come visit Nagoya. I hope you guys enjoyed learning about this, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give us a like, a comment, and don't forget to share and subscribe. We'll see you guys very soon in another video. Bye guys!